Hello and welcome back, guys. In this lecture we're actually gonna give our bird a movement. So our bird is gonna be able to jump with certain force and it's gonna be able to fall. So first thing when it comes to falling is we need to set our gravity scale to our bird. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add component to our bird that is called a rigid body 2D. So remember when we were creating a pipes and when we were creating a ground, we didn't really turn on the gravity scale because we didn't want it to fall. But right now we're gonna leave gravity scale to be 1 when it comes to bird because we want it to be able to fall in order to maintain its height by clicking the left click. So the next thing that we need to do is we're gonna add a polygon collider because it's gonna be a collider that fits her the best probably. Okay, as you can see, this is the polygon collider that we added and it's pretty fine. So what we need to do next is we need to actually make a script that's gonna make our bird move, which is gonna make our bird actually jump. And how we're gonna do that is we're gonna create a C# script called bird jump and we're gonna open it. So okay, what's happening? Where is my script? Reload all. Oh yes. We're gonna open Unity and open our bird jump script. Okay, so first thing that we need to initialize here is gonna be a rigid body. So we're gonna write rigid body 2D and we're gonna name it, for example, bird. Okay, and what we need to do when the game starts, we need to get component of that rigid body. So we're gonna just write bird equals to get component of our rigid body 2D, and we're gonna, this is a function, so we're gonna open brackets and close it with semicolon. So, and the next thing that we need to do when the update happens is, so if our input is equals to get mouse button down, brackets 0, and 0 is the left click, we should have a jump. And how we're gonna implement jump, it's gonna be a bird dot velocity equals to new vector 2, and the first one is gonna be x-axis. So we don't want our bird to be moved on the x-axis, we're just gonna make it move on the y-axis. So we can write 0 and then we write what's gonna happen on the y-axis. So it's gonna be like, for example, 5. And we're just gonna close everything here. So what I wrote here is I actually gave our bird a rigid body into our script. I got its component when the game starts, and with the update of each frame, I'm gonna be able to left click it and make our bird jump to y-axis, to this axis, so it will be able to jump to the top by certain force of 5. So I'm just gonna hit Control S and I'm gonna just drag my script bird jump into our bird and play it. So right now when I play it, our bird has a certain jump and the game actually looks like the original one. So that's pretty much it, how you make your bird jump and how you actually make it not fall. So I actually enabled the gravity to my bird, so it's gonna fall by the force of gravity, but by the force of our jump that it's equal to 5, it's gonna actually go against the gravity and make a certain jump. So thank you guys for watching and see you next video.